Have you ever tried to deploy a VM in Azure and suddenly you hit that annoying quota limit? Yeah, the one message that stops your entire project. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase your quotas inside the Azure Portal step by step in a fast way. Okay, so the first step is getting into Azure Portal, portal.azure.com, and log in. And then go to your search bar and then type in quotas and then select quotas. You will see categories like compute, which is your vCPUs, your GPU families, networking, compute, storage, Azure Lab Services, right? Azure VMware Solutions, all of these quotas. So what we want to focus on is the compute. So I select compute, just like what I did. And once you select compute, what's going to happen is you're going to see different regions, right? You're going to see different regions. So we have Australia Central being the first. So by default, Azure gives you a certain default limit, which is number 10 sometimes, or most of the times, for virtual machine sizes. Okay, so what I recommend is that if we're trying to deploy in a particular region, so for example, if I was trying to deploy this in Australia East, I can come up here and then I can filter with Australia East, right? And then I click on apply. Okay, once I do that, now I see the quotas for Australia East. Now, the next thing that you want to find is the actual type, right? The actual size, right? That you are having problem with. Okay, so if it's a D series, you can come up here and then you type DS, like in my case, right? So DS, so I want to increase the PDSV2. Okay, so by default I have 10. By default I have 10 quotas. So this is what it means over here: 0 of 10. Current usage shows you the amount of vCPUs you've already used. In most cases, if you're getting an error, it means that your usage has exceeded 10 or it's almost exceeding, or you're trying to deploy a virtual machine that is going to take much more vCPUs than the ones you have left. So to increase the quota, you're going to click on request adjustment, which is the pen over here. And in the new limit, you're just going to request the number of vCPUs you need. So it depends on your project plan or your architecture plan. But in my case, I'm fine with 20. So you can put 40, you can put 50, depending on what you want to achieve, right? And then after you do that, you click on submit, and that's all you do. So it will go ahead and take some time to actually propagate and fulfill your request. Okay, so that's it. Just wanted to show you how to do it quickly.